How to create a TikTok account in a super quick and easy way, step by step. Let's do it. You can use desktop or mobile phone app, but you need email address or you need your phone. Go to tiktok.com and then click on login on the left. You don't have an account, so go to the bottom of the page and click sign up. You can use your phone or email, continue with Facebook, Google, if you have a Gmail account, or Apple. I'm going to use phone or email. You need to put in your birthday because you cannot use TikTok if you're underage. If you want to sign up with your email instead of your phone number, don't forget to switch it. Put your email in, create a strong password, and then go to your email, look for the verification code from TikTok, and then place it back. Click next, create a username, which is not taken. Click sign up and you're done. The algorithm doesn't know what you like, so first it's gonna show you some weird TikToks. You can change your profile and with the same information you can log in through your app on the phone. If you found this video helpful, use the thanks button to say thank you. And I'll see you next time.